What's up guys, welcome to another TribalWars video. So today I'd like to make a video about supporters of the month, year or whatever, because they deserve a lot of respect, since all the guys who are working on offensive side of this world are getting credit about winning, but supporters are usually just forgotten. Another thing I'd like to do quickly, create new group, name it Kush, my old buddies. I know we can see them red in the map, so nothing that is happening in K65 is relevant and can change the outcome of this world. So I decided, since they're my friends, boom, let's make them ally. Oh, wait a second. Add tribe. There we go, buddies. Hug to win, right? Whoa, look at this, all blue now, so fancy. Yes, there we go. Oh, too bad I didn't turn on my web camera because I'm now smiling like a little baby. Yeah, that's better. Not sure why they were marked as red, so perhaps so people can see where they are, since we have multiple allies, and Rune villages need to be divided or separated or conquered or whatever. So yeah, let's continue with the supporters. Opponents defeated. First, let's start with players and then with the tribes. Not sure how it works with tribes. So as attacker, I can check out myself first. It's almost 6 mil, but to be honest, guys, I've been backline as fuck. Okay, so that's all I can do. As you can see, as defender, this just says it all, right? Backline as fuck. So 1 mil, right? That's terrible. But as supporter, I believe I get some credit here, guys. At least 3 mil. Okay. Because I was also stacking some of my frontline wheels, and they never got attacked because obviously enemies thought that I'm overstacked. Well, I wasn't. I was like well stacked. I was safe. So, supporter, first King Kuja, King Kuja maybe. So now from Hammer takes it down with 29 million opponents defeated as supporter. I believe this guy was from 4, so now came up to our tribe. Second place, Freddy Forever. So, aka Maka, or other way around. This guy has been a legend. I mean, whenever you see a post that someone needs stacks, Freddy's the one that comes up first and fills them all up, and actually almost. I believe Fred will finish this world with the first one as a supporter, so 28.4 million. For Fred, so good job with that one. See again a smile on my face, no webcam turned on, Edgar's big mistake. And third place goes to player with a nickname I cannot possibly pronounce. I'd say RHKSWHD from 4. 27 million opponents defeated as supporter. Alright, you know what, I'm gonna go up to the top 5 at least, because Stoner Problems deserves some respect as well. From Hammer, been there all the time, so from very beginning. 22.46 million opponents defeated, and this guy, Stoner, is also frontline as fuck, at least he was. So if we just do a quick check here, bam, as defender, he's also, should be like sticking it in. 9th rank, guys, 53 mil. So now you can see that, yeah, he's also top supporter. And let's check him out here as attacker as well. 11th, so 26.1 mil as attacker. So now you can see this Stoner guy. I don't know what's cooking with him, but yeah, he is pretty good. So 5th place, give it up for Hello Tayun or something. I tried my best, guys. So a guy from Hammer, used to be in a Kush. 21.1 million as opponents defeated as supporters, sorry guys. So that's pretty nice. You saw my stats, so yeah. And some honorable mentions. So XI with 20 mil. Noobs on Ice doing great with a 16.4 mil. Anti-Pro 14.9, so let's say 15 mil. And there we have Will with a 14.6, okay, 0.7 mil. Hello Satang, this guy is nuking everybody everywhere, but still with a quite nice stats as a supporter. No Limit, the guy that's pure legend, his legacy is still unknown. I hear he's alive and well. A long time ago one of his friends sent me that text, so that's good. King for Ring from LITD, 12.7 mil. So Egidi with a 12.68 mil, player from 4. And you know, Cody Bad the Worst, as they say in the tribe, so Cody Good the Great. From a Hammer tribe, 11.6 mil, also been a frontline as fuck. So Nayord from LITD, don't really know the northern guys that well, 11.5 mil. Janjans with from a tribe Rambo. Hey Jenny, did you just change the tribe? Okay, 11 mil. I'm gonna check this out later. So Zeeks CZCX again 4 tribe, 11 mil. The Beat Conductor, the guy that's also frontline as fuck as always, 10.1 mil as supporter. MDS from Hammer, 9 mil. Real Donald Trump from Hammer, 9 mil. Jammer with 9 again. So King, Dio, Sikori, and Dech, guys with almost 9, so over 8 mil. So top 25 supporters in this world. So what it takes to be the best supporter? First thing first, you need a lot of backline. And another thing, you have to be consistent. You have to resend defense all the time. And what else? Well, you must be willing to help. There is some selfishness in this game as well. And this list over here, that is not selfish at all. That is legendary, you know. You know what could be selfish? Of course, it's just my opinion, but it's not like that. It's not as simple. But I just want to say it could be selfish to be this guy. Well, it's not, but I say it could, because if he has defeated so many units, and he's not really in supporters list a lot, maybe he's a lot in attackers list, that means he's possibly not that much willing to help others, as maybe using a bit more of other troops kinda to boost his stats. But that's different story, guys. I'm not saying anything bad about Richter. He's a legendary player, or he was. Same for Mejonis. He have won like many worlds. And since we are in the defenders post here page, so the Beat Conductor from Hammer is being hammered 100 million. Wow, that's just opponent stats you cannot get with such small account. It's incredible. Logi Quest, 72 mil. Cody Good the Great with 72 mil. Majesty, one of a kind. Mr. David, I suppose, the good old friend of mine, from Hammer, 68.9 mil. Jammer, 67. Satit with a 65. And here we go, again a stoner, so 53. Lacrimosa, this guy, well, I helped you to get those stats, I remember. Well, now we're on the same side, so a player from 4 with 48 mil. So Milk Club ZA from LITD with 45 mil, and Stolen Destiny, I hope I pronounced it correctly, with 44 mil. And let's go ahead and read the entire list here. Real Donald Trump from Hammer, 44 mil. Sikori from Hammer, 40.1. Char Aznable with from a 4 with a 40.1. Seabirds as defender, didn't really defend much because everybody too scared to attack you, buddy. From a Hammer with 40 million points. So Note Change from LITD with a 40.6. One above all. So I think this guy is gone now, but 37 mil. Saitama X Zverev with 37 mil, got hammered a bit. If anyone has any information about Zverev or Saitama, please write down in comments. It would be nice to find out his full story. And actually same thing about this Mezo and this guy. I'm really interested. Let's keep going. Urek from 4 with 36 mil. Irrelevant. I hope I pronounced that well. Yeah, it's not that easy, guys. So from 4, 33.1 mil. JJ Avan, also from a 4 with a 32 mil. Aldejuron, 4th tribe member, 31 mil. Minji, 30 mil. And Freddy Forever, also good at defending, 29 mil. So Fred is a top supporter, almost first place. I believe he will finish the world with the first place as a supporter, and now he's also in a top page as defender. So since we are doing all this, let's see the MVP of the World 102, guys. Give it up for Seabirds. Basically, this guy is just one big tank, you know, just sending, resending, and then resending again his nukes. As attacker, opponents defeated 75.3 mil. Noobs on Ice from Hammer, 47 mil. Hello from Hammer, 46 mil. Mejonis. See, this is why I asked you comments about Mejonis. Maybe you know his legacy story, because such a great player goes down like this. It's just a little pain to watch. I'm not sure why it happened. Have no idea. As I said, I don't know much about Northern players, but I know just he was really big, and now he's just, you know, getting rimmed. So he has 35.3 mil, and the beat conductor from Hammer with 33 million. So Richter 32, anti-pro. This guy, I've been receiving reports from him every day, like tons of reports. He's just smashing people around. So from Hammer 32 mil. So Egidijus from 4, 32 mil, and a real Donald Trump again here from Hammer, 30 mil. T-Bone Steak from Inoobs with 26, Stoner with 26. See, Stoner is doing great. Actually, if we would speak about MVP of World 102, one of the candidates could be Stoner Problems, not only because of his supporter, defender, and attacker stats, also his diplomatic skills. So he could be in a top 5 at least. So Jans with 25 mil, Raval, let's just keep it short and simple, Edgars. So from Hammer 24.1. So White Boy from 24 mil, Hello Sika from Hammer, also nuking everybody. And there you go again, my buddy Majesty David. So this guy, I don't know how many PP he blew on the start off, on a takeoff, but he was a legend for a really long time. I got in a bit of, how can I say, not bad, but like uncomfortable position. He had a big front line and had to hold on for, I'd say, too long time to just survive. So took a bit of a beating, but this guy is not giving up, so his perseverance is just legendary. He comes back again, you know, once he gets knocked in the face, falls down on floor, he comes back. Majesty David, good job. Say hi to Anna from a Hammer with 22.1 mil. Stormarak, Hammer tribe member, 21 mil, also really good player. Trickster, Hammer player now, 21 mil. K to Fire, Hammer tribe member, 20 mil. So Exile, Defense King, Flip, Magmar, Milk, and Dio Peter. So those guys also on a top page deserves some respect. So MVP of this world. You know what, guys? Write down in the comment section which one you think is most valuable player in World 102. I'd say the beat conductor, Seabirds, Noobs on Ice, Hello. Also, I'd say Mejonis deserves some respect. Stoner, T-Bone, Anti-Pro definitely, Donald Trump. Those guys could be as candidates. And you know what? Not only from attacker's side, also from supporter's side. Not me. I deserve the MVP of being the media of the World 102. King Kuja, Freddy, again here we have Stoner. Those guys as well should be mentioned. No Limit, if he would have continued, I believe he would be MVP of the World 102, but he really wasn't on the winning side at any point. He was just trying to pull the trip up all by himself. So again we see similar names, so Majesty, Cody, Logi, The Beat, all those top 10 guys, Lacrimos as well here. So might be the all-stars, and one of them all from these pages should be MVP. So yeah, write down in the comment section, guys, which one you would like, and maybe I will make a legacy video about the MVP of World 102. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you the next one, guys. Cheers.